What's up friends, I'm Sholazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. And today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be about the giveaway, and this video is not going to be very long because I'm not really well. I'm sick right now. If you can understand that by seeing me, then it's okay, otherwise I can't explain it to you. But doesn't matter. Today's video is going to be about the giveaway, and which is pretty much I'm going to do it right now. I haven't selected the winner yet. The rules of the giveaway was to like the video, then subscribe to this channel, and then commenting the word done after doing all of these two things. And there were many likes and many comments. There were 190 likes and there are 246 comments on this video, out of which 195 comments has commented the word done. And out of this 195 comments, I'm going to select a winner randomly by going to random.org. And yes, the comments will be placed in newest first order. I don't know what does that say. Is that chronological order? Chronological order.
According to Wikipedia, chronology is the science of arranging events in their order of occurrence in time.
So it's going to be in the chronological order, and yes, I'll be arranging the comments in the chronological order, and the first comment will be taken as the number 1 and the last comment will be taken as 195. And then I'm going to go to the random.org website and then put my minimum number as 1 and maximum number as 195, and then see that what number comes out. That means who is the lucky winner from the first, and yes, that person will win the giveaway. And I'll do it now. Okay, so this is the random.org website, in which I'm going to put the minimum number as 1, that is done already, and the maximum number is 195. Then hit the generate button and the result is 30. Okay guys, let's see who's on the 30th number in the comment section. Okay, so let's go to the comment section first, and let's arrange this in the newest first. Done. Now I'm going to scroll down to the entire bottom of the comment section so that I can see who's on the 30th position commenting the word done. Okay, wow, there are a lot of comments. There are a lot of comments, guys. There are a lot of comments. Come on, let's do it. Yes, so the first is this one, tech, crafts, tricks, everything. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 and 30. So number 30 comment is by Holy Magic. If you can see this, Holy Magic. I don't know if it's taking over there. Okay, I'll just put a screenshot on the screen, and I'll actually put the video. So the number 30th comment is the comment done by Holy Magic. So congratulations, Holy Magic. Make sure you comment on this video within 1 week after posting this video, so that I can contact you and you can win the giveaway. Well, the next giveaway will be announced real soon, but I won't be giving away a deck of cards until and unless it's 50k subscribers. So right now the next giveaway will not be deck of cards, but after that, hopefully when I'll be hitting 50k subs, I'll be giving away a deck of cards. But till then, I'll be giving away other magic stuffs. But the thing is, the giveaway announcement is going to really come soon, and for that, stay tuned to the channel by subscribing, of course, and also turning on the post notifications so that you don't miss my videos. And also I have a second channel where I post funny videos, videos related to comedy. Sometimes magic is involved in it, and most of the times magic is not involved in it. So it's going to be a complete different channel, and I'll be a complete different character over there. And if you like comedy, if you like entertainment, go and subscribe to that channel too. I'll leave a link in the description box as well as in the card so that you can easily check that out. And also, since today is Monday, which means today's episode is a Smack That Monday episode, as well as it's a vlog. And you know, today I had no magic stuffs, but still, since today is Monday, I'm going to give a shout out to one of the lucky Instagram users, which I do on each and every one of my Smack That Monday episodes. And yes, this week's shout out goes to Magic Miles, and on Instagram he is Cardist Magician. So make sure you go and follow him on Instagram. And if you want to get a lucky Instagram shout out on my next Smack That Monday episode, then make sure you go and check the video description for all the rules and regulations to get a shout out, like to get a lucky shout out in my next Smack That Monday episode. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully your day goes well. After this I have to go to the doctor. I'm sick. And yes, that's it for today's video. Peace.